Guys, we're gonna celebrate Elijah's progression. If you look, he's about to walk, so we're going to celebrate him. Yes, Elijah, just back. Let me finish what I'm saying. Elijah, just back. All right. At first, Elijah was scared. So through motivation and encouragement, he was able to overcome his fear. Let's work on the balance. Oh, sorry. Try again. Oh, sorry again. Hey, back up.
Elijah.
More encouragement. Come on, Elijah. You can do it. Come on. Guys, we did so many activities and it did not work. Let's try sport. Basketball. Yes, Elijah. Push. Come on, Elijah. Let's try one more time. Push. Yes. You're doing it. You did it. Back up. Oh, guys, 33 step record. You did well. Yes, walk out and celebrate. Yep.